This is an overview of the problem definition section of senior design. The first activity will be research. This research has two purposes. The first is to have you become an expert on the product and similar products that you will be designing. The second is to develop a list of customer features that all of the users and people who are interested in this product will expect. This list of customer features are things like easy to use, easy to maintain, low cost, safe. Those kinds of things are customer features that your customers would expect this product to have. The way you're going to do this is you will research existing and similar products. Now, as you do this, you need to be very careful that you're listening very carefully for those customer features and watching. When you look at these similar products, they will have claims of how they perform, what they're like, what they cost, and you need to document those so that you can include those in your list of customer features. Also, you need to interview potential customers, people who've used similar products in the past, people who maintain these similar products, people who buy components for these similar products, anyone who would have an interest in this product, and listen very carefully for the customer features that they would expect this product to have. Another resource, obviously, other resources are blogs, forums, articles, and patents. And again, you are reading very carefully, and if you're using a highlighter or something, you want to highlight any customer feature that is claimed, or also any features that are not desirable, irritating features that someone says, then you obviously want to design that out of your product. With all of this research, you will review all of it very carefully and make this list of customer features and refine it. You want to have maybe 8 or 10 of these when you actually refine it. And that customer feature, that list of customer features, will develop into a written survey that you will distribute to potential customers, people who've used products in the past, and ask them for importance, how important is that feature in a product that they would buy, and satisfaction. Once you have those survey results, you will use a tool called a quality function deployment, and in that tool it's actually numerically oriented so that you can take the numerical values from your customers and combine them with the designer's thoughts on the importance and combine the satisfaction with your target satisfaction. And this is a tool that will take all of those numbers and give you a method to produce a weighted importance. The main goal for all of this activity right here is to develop that list of customer features and figure out how important they are in the design, because your design will try to emphasize the ones that are more important, and when you come to trade-offs, you'll be able to trade off for the less important ones. Let's go back up here and realize that this same list of customer features will also develop into, or you will produce, something called the product objectives from that same list of customer features. And you start to see how important it is for you to do that very carefully and very thoroughly, because this list of product objectives are the ones that will eventually determine something called the proof of design agreement that you and your advisor will agree will establish success in the project. This will allow you, as you go through the project and as you put these product objectives into the QFD, and it will allow them to be measurable. There's also another part of the QFD tool that allows you to take those product objectives and figure out how you're going to build them into the design. Now, with all of this developed, the main tools, the main outcome would be the weighted importance and the product objectives. Those are the things that you want to come out of all of this research and work that you're doing. With all of that in hand, that will complete the problem definition section of senior design, and you will start meeting with your advisor to begin the design process. The first step in the design process is alternative design selections and concept selections using something called a weighted objective tool. Now, all of this, we are convinced, will develop the best possible design.